So, Jai Hind guys, now we are learning lesson number 7, which is mensuration of geometry. This is the last lesson of the series, of the geometry series. So, I am going to solve the two example of this lesson. So, firstly, for my advice will be to learn the formulas of the lesson. The formulas, I mean, they are in your textbook. It is given that 6 different figures, 3-dimensional figure, which is cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, what is it, sphere and hemisphere. So you have to learn the formulas for this. So small trick, or just to know that how you can learn, just write the formulas for two to three times. Write the formula, see them, learn them, and again write the formula without looking at the textbook. First write the formula for 3 to 4 times by looking, I mean by watching to the textbook. Then again you have to learn the formulas of the 3-dimensional figures. So formulas are in 3 parts, which is lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. In fourth there is 4 types, so you have to learn, there is no other option. So we are going to solve the we are going to solve the solve example, which is given in your textbook in page number 143. So I am not writing the question, I am solving the answer. I mean, firstly we will write the given. So I will dictate the question. The question is, the radius and height of a cylindrical water reservoir is 2.8 meter and 3.5 meter respectively. 2.8 meter and 3.5 meter respectively. So how much maximum water can the tank hold? A person needs 70 liter of water per day. For how many persons is the water sufficient for a day? So what is given? We have given the radius is equal to 2.8 meter, and we have given the height of the cylindrical water reservoir. So what is the height of that? 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter. In the last we have given the value of pi, which is 22/7. So pi value is 22/7. So we have to solve the questions. So this is the given. So we are solving the question. Capacity of the water reservoir. Capacity of water reservoir. So capacity of water reservoir, capacity means the volume of a cylinder. So it is given in the question, the volume of the cylinder reservoir means we have to solve the question by using the formula of volume of cylindrical reservoir. Volume of cylindrical reservoir. So what is the formula for volume of cylindrical reservoir? It is pi r square h. It is pi r square h. So we have to substitute the values which is given. So value for the pi is 22/7 into r square, 2.8 into 2.8 into 2.8. And what is the value of height? The value of height is 3.5. So by solving this we get the answer 86.24. cubic meter, 86.24 meter cube. So here 1 liter is equal to 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1000 liters. In the question we have given that how many persons the water is sufficient for a day. For how many persons? So we have to tell the number of the persons. So for that we have to convert this into liters. So this will be 86.24 into 1000. So we have to write 86, 24 and 30, 1, 2, 3. We have to write the 30, then you may know the decimal points. So leaving two numbers we have to give the decimal points 1 and 2. So what is the answer? Answer is 86,240. 86,240 liters. I will write it clearly. liters. So 1% drink how much water? How much liter water per day? 70 liters of water per day. The reservoir can hold 86,240 liters. I will write here the water reservoir can hold the daily requirement of a water of a person is 70. So therefore you are getting yes. Therefore water in the tank is sufficient for how many persons? Water in the tank is sufficient for so we have to divide this by 70, that is equal to 86,240 divided by 70. 0 0 get cancelled, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, remaining 1, 16, 7 2s are 14, remaining 2, 22, 7 3s are 21, remaining 1 14, 7 2s are 14. So for how many person the water is sufficient? 1,232 persons. 1,232 persons. What is the final answer? 1,232 persons. You have to solve the problem by this method, then only you will get the full mark. This question may come for 2 to 3 marks in exam. So now we are taking the example number 1 of page number 147, which is given on page number 147. This is different type of example from the previous one. So what is the question? A bucket is frustum shape. It is a frustum shape. Its height is 28 centimeter. And radius of circular faces are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Means the two radius are given, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So find the capacity of the bucket, and again the value for pi is equal to 22/7. So what is given in the question? I will write is shortly. The height is equal to 28 centimeter. Height is equal to 28 centimeter, and radius 1 is equal to 15 centimeter, and radius 2 is equal to 12 centimeter, and the value for pi it is given as is equal to 22/7. So we will directly solve the solutions. In solution we have to write the given, what is given. So height is equal to 28 centimeter. Then radius 1 is equal to 15 centimeter. Again radius 2 has been given for 12 centimeter. Sorry, it is not meter, it is centimeter. Centimeter, and the value for pi is equal to 22/7. We don't have to write the value for pi, it is given in question only, so no need to write again in the solution. Just we have to write the height and radius 1 and 2 value. So capacity of the bucket, firstly it is given capacity of bucket. Capacity of bucket is equal to volume of FRU frustum. It is the frustum is the shape of the frustum is, here it is a big opening and this is the small base of the bucket. So somehow the figure is like this of the frustum, I mean the bucket. So this is the shape of the frustum. So formula for the frustum is 1/3 pi h, 1/3 pi h in bracket r1 square plus r2 square, r1 square plus r2 square, r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. So now we have to solve this. So 1/3 will be as it is. The value for pi will be 22/7. The height which is given in the question is 28. So it will be as it is. And the value for R1 is 15. So 15 square plus 12 square plus 15 into 12. Just all the values will get cut. 7 ones are 7, 7 fourths are 28, 7 fourths are 28. So it will be 22 into 4 upon 3. 3 will be as it is. Then in bracket 15 square will be 225. 225 plus 12 square will be 144. 144. Then plus 15 into 12 is equal to 180. So we have to solve this. So it will be again 22 into 4. 22 into 4 upon 3. So 225 plus 144 plus 180 is equal to 549. Is equal to 549. So 3 is getting cut by 549. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. No, 3 ones are 3, remaining 2, 24. 3 sevens are 20, 3 eights are 24. Yeah, it is getting cut. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, remaining 2, 24. 3 ones are 21, 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24 and 3 threes are 9. So it will be 22 into 4 into 183. 22 into 4 into 183. The final answer will be 16,104. The unit for the final answer is cm3. So we have to convert it into liters. So find the capacity of the bucket. We have to find the capacity. The capacity of the bucket is 16,104 cubic. So finally we have to convert it into liters. So we have to convert it into liters and write the final answer. Means comment down the final answer. Okay. So now we have completed the revision series of geometry. That's it for this lesson. We have completed 2 examples of this lesson. So okay. Thanks. Jai Hind.